Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a triple berry pie for our COVID style Christmas video. I'm just doing the pie separate so that you can kind of see how it's constructed and so that that video is not too long. This pie is so far the best AIP pie crust I've been able to produce, so I hope that you like it. The pie turned out really, really well. We'll give you a taste test at the end for sure. One thing is that the size of pie, the amount of berries, etc., are for a really standard pie plate and not a really deep dish one. So I'll make a note in the recipe below, in the recipe box below, to give you the differences on those. I used frozen berries in this, straight from frozen. I didn't de-thaw them at all, and you can do that too. And you'll notice that it looks quite high, but as the pie cooks, it does settle down in. So anyway, I hope that you guys like it as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get baking. That's where you are, up in the stars. That's where you are, that's where you are. Your eyes. Wake up, wake up. It's time you realize every chance you'll ever take, running down this rainbow road. Every dragon heart you break, every hand you'll ever hold. Every time you really see where you are is where you'll be. The sky will shine tonight, up in the stars. That's where you are, up in the stars. That's where you are, that's where you are. Shine tonight, up in the stars. That's where you are, up in the stars. That's where you are, that's where you are. everybody, we are back with our berry pie. Asher's here to help me give a taste test. I'm going to show you sort of how it looked. See if I can get it to focus here a bit. Looks great. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
I've not tried a bite of the star, so...
Tried the star yet?
How do I cut the star?
Don't cut it, just eat the whole
Oh.
thing. Yeah. See, like that.
That is a lot.
What's a big bite? Mmm. Giant bite. Can you do it?
Oh my gosh, big bite.
Big bite. Sorry, don't laugh, don't choke. Is it good? Is it a 2 thumbs up or a 1 thumbs up? Yes. Always looking for the 2 thumbs up. Okay. Always looking for the 2 thumbs up. Steve gives a double thumbs up. Oh, double thumbs up. Ashley gives a double thumbs up. I give a double thumbs up. So this is a keeper. We'll post, or I'll put everything in the recipe below, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody. You're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.